Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You're watching the most complete video series for learning English and American culture in a simple and effortless way. Just sit back, listen closely, and make sure to watch this video multiple times for full understanding and mastery. Today's topic is both fascinating and important. What happens if a NATO country is attacked? Let's break it down in clear and simple terms. NATO stands for the North Atlantic Treaty Organization. It was created in 1949 after World War II as a military alliance to keep peace and protect member countries from outside threats. It started with 12 members, including the United States, Canada, and several Western European countries. Today, it has 31 members. The core of NATO is something called Article 5. Article 5 is like a promise between friends. It says that if one member country is attacked, all the other members will treat it as an attack against them all. In other words, they'll defend each other like a team. So, what would happen if a NATO country was attacked? First, the NATO Council would meet and evaluate the situation. If they agree that the attack meets the conditions of Article 5, then all NATO countries could respond together, militarily, politically, or with other actions. The goal is to stop the attack and protect the country under threat. Here's an example. Article 5 has only been activated once in NATO's history. That happened after the September 11th attacks on the United States in 2001. The rest of the NATO members came together to support the US, showing that this alliance is more than just words, it's action. But NATO doesn't just rely on military power. It also works to prevent conflicts through diplomacy, cooperation, and shared training exercises. The idea is that unity and readiness can discourage enemies from starting a war in the first place. Of course, there are debates. Some people worry that being in NATO could drag a country into a war it didn't start. Others believe it's a powerful tool for peace because it makes enemies think twice before attacking. Now you know, if a NATO country is attacked, it doesn't stand alone. It stands with a team of allies ready to help. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you made it here, you're truly dedicated to learning. Make sure to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video, which is a key part of mastering both English and understanding international culture. Please like this video and share it with your friends to help us keep growing and improving for you. See you in the next adventure.